To access your cluster's data dashboard, go to OregonGearUp.org and navigate to the Grant Management tab. In the top right-hand corner, you will see the green Data Dashboard button. Clicking on this button will take you to the dashboard login screen. Conversely, you can type login.qualtrics.com/vocalize/login into your browser's address bar. You will need user credentials to log in. If you have not already received these credentials, contact our data manager or research and evaluation specialist to obtain these. Once you've obtained your dashboard credentials and are able to log in, you will land on the Welcome page. This page contains all the important information you must know before using the dashboard. Please read through the entire page before continuing on to the other tabs. Once you've logged in for the first time, you will need to change your password. To change your password, log out using the button located in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Then click on Forgot Password and enter your username. You will receive an email from Qualtrics with a link to reset your password. This is also how you can reset your password if you forget it. All of the information you need to use your dashboard can be found in the Data Manual, which is located in the Surveys and Data section of the Grant Management tab. Check here if you have any questions about using the dashboard or for more detailed information.